Yo, what's up, guys? This is KarlDaGreat of Amazing Wizard Studios. Welcome to the tutorial on how to replace a CMOS battery in your desktop computer. You may have to replace a CMOS battery after some years. So I don't know how many years, but it will take a while, I suppose. But I could be wrong. But anyway, one situation you would do it is if the voltage of your CMOS battery is low. And here's an example. Yes, this is the error I am talking about. In fact, you'll see this error. You may see this error if you try to boot up your computer when its CMOS battery is low or dead. In this case, you won't be able to go to your operating system as normal. So yeah, now this tutorial is exactly what you need to fix a problem like this so that your computer will be up and running again. But yeah, that was the low system battery voltage error right there. And this indicates your CMOS battery is low, needs to be replaced. Now over here is my Dell Optec 780 desktop computer. You may have recognized it if you've seen the videos where I've shown this off. I do remember getting it a while back, and it's a nice retro gaming computer. That is if it works well, which I hope it will once we do what we have to do. But anyway, let's start for real. All right, with the computer powered off, unplugged, and with everything unplugged from it, you'll want to dismantle your case so your motherboard is exposed. This may require two depending what case you have or what computer you have, if the latter being if it's a pre-built like this one. Now in the case of this Dell Optec 780, there's a tab you pull here, and then the side panel comes up slightly. Then you can remove it like so. Now that the motherboard is exposed, you have to locate your CMOS battery. Now, the location of your CMOS battery, as well as to open the case, would vary. For the case, or not to open the case, it differs from every computer in case. So look up the manual of your case or computer. Now my CMOS battery is right over here under my graphics card, which is a GT 730, which you may have noticed if you've watched the previous videos with this computer. Now, the location of CMOS battery differs from motherboard and PC, so make sure you check the manual of your motherboard or computer. Now to access it, we just have to lift up on this tab, and then push on this tab, and you have to carefully lift this card out. Gotta be careful so we don't break anything. There we go. But yeah, like that. Like, yeah, now that the CMOS battery isn't obstructing anymore, we can remove it. Like, in this case, like, you may have to stick something under and then to lift it up, like so. There we go. Out with the old. And now we have this new CMOS battery, so in with the new. Yeah, look at that, the new CMOS battery is seated in there now. And yeah, now that the new CMOS battery is installed, it's time to put the computer back together. Yup. This is our desktop. That means the problem's been fixed. Thankfully. So glad our computer's working just like it was when I got it. Alright, that's about it. This was the tutorial on how to replace a CMOS battery on a desktop computer. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and comment future content. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post the videos or start streaming. This is KarlDaGreat of Amazing Wizard Studios, signing out. Peace.